So it seems like we've got two spots. The very end, and then right here, in the almost in the center, there's an opening where you might be able to just plop that shit.
Let's see. Where am I dropping?
Keep going, keep going. I'm looking at the front of your, keep going a little bit further. See, there's like one branch and then an opening and then other branches in that opening, right there.
Right here?
Yeah, see that opening? Right there, where your paddle is.
Go in business, speed.
Like throw it right in there. And a little to the left, yeah. All right.
More load.
Hard working beavers.
Okay, I see. Right there.
In the center?
See?
A spot in the center you're looking at?
The fastest.
Yep.
It's like right here.
Yes. Yes. This is so good. Oh, look at all that stuff right there. Let's see if I can. All right. I think. Oh. All right. Oh, look. There's the heron.
Where?
Down that way now. At the dead end in that direction. Come in front of me. Paddle by in front of me and you'll see it. It's so weird lately. It flies, but it flies exactly where I need to go. So I interrupt it like 3 times.
Yeah, Liam scared it. Yeah, I was going pretty quick and then I tried to slow down so I was scared, but it saw me quick. So I couldn't get a picture or anything.
Damn, it's really flowing through in the middle there. See some of those really big logs downstream a little bit? Those I had over here in the dam. They actually, well, at one point the water was rushing so fast. Yeah, if we get a rain now, I think this will tighten up. That center space seems to be where it's coming through.
Yeah.